Greetings, friends, and welcome back. Today is day 6 of my 25 Days of Christmas series. This look was inspired by the Snow Miser. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, that was inspired by the Heat Miser, so I had to do both, you know? It is currently 2:30 in the morning, and I feel like a wild animal. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi, the comfy sweatshirt is on. My Heat Miser makeup still kind of on. It's time for the Snow Miser. So, since the Snow Miser is more sharp and angular, my face is not sharp and angular. I figured we would do like a cool full cut crease, because usually I only do like an inner corner cut crease, but go big or go home, you know? Hold on, I'm gonna go prime my eyes. Honestly, I've never looked better. Alright, let's roll up the sleeves for this one, kids. In terms of palettes, I'm gonna use the electric palette, I think, the Lights Drag palette for these guys on the end, and then possibly the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette for some of these shimmery shades. I think I'm gonna start off with Kiki, and I'm just gonna take the Morphe Y19 brush. And because we're gonna cut the crease anyway, you don't have to worry about being too neat with this. I'm gonna go in next with the shade Fishy on the Morphe Y20 brush. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with that Y19 brush and the shade Kiki. I'm actually gonna go in with my Kat Von D Metal Mattes palette and the shade Velour, this blue one. That's closer to the, oh god. This shade is a lot closer to the one in the picture, so we're gonna go with that. And I'm gonna take the Morphe Y22 brush. Okay, going back in with our Y20 brush and that fishy shade, I'm gonna blend that edge out. And then once more with that Y19 brush and the shade Kiki. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of that darker blue. And then blending that out with the Y20 brush. I'm not going to add any more product onto that. I'm just going to buff that edge. I like how that looks, so I'm going to leave it there. And we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. What I'm going to do is take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but it's an eyeshadow brush and it's dense and it has short bristles. So it makes it really easy to control where you're placing the product. So we're going to go ahead and use that to cut the crease and just hope for the best. Here we go. Okay, now I gotta make the other side match. Doing one side's easy. Doing two sides, that's hard. It's really hard. That's as close as it's gonna get. I'm literally gonna take this off and go to bed anyway, so it does not really matter. For the lid, I'm gonna take the shade Mystic. It's this really pretty silvery blue shade. So I'm gonna take that on a wet shadow brush. I'm undecided about eyeliner for this because I think a wing would look pretty bomb, but I also kind of like it as it is. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and throw on my face real fast, and then we'll figure out what's going on with the eyes. My face is on, and now we're going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take the NYX eyeliner in the shade Azure. if that's right. I don't think I've ever said that word out loud, but it's this teal one. gonna take Velour, which was that dark blue shade, and put that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take an angled brush and that velour shade and just kind of follow that line of the silver wing. I have too much product on that brush. And then I'm gonna take that little detail brush again in the shade Kiki this time, which was that first kind of minty green shade. Alright. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow that I used on the lid and put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna put my lashes on, and then we're gonna see what happens. I think it needs eyeliner. Alright, I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. It needs a wing. It needs a wing. Alright, liner is on. I'm pretty sure it's even-ish. For the lips, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade The Real Teal. If you haven't realized by now, these are my favorite liquid lipsticks. On this cold December day. Is that too green? I'm gonna take the shade Nebula just on my finger, and I'm just gonna pat that into the lip. When everything's white, glimmering silver. Alright, and that concludes the look. I'm really mad that it's 2:30 in the morning and that I'm not wearing this look out somewhere. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. It's only day 6, so you're stuck with me for a while. Alright, that's all I got, and I will see you tomorrow. Today's as that lipstick on my tin. Ah, there's powder everywhere. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Wait, what? I've got the sleepy ha. Alright, for the lips, I also have my milk in this little boot mug. Get your calcium, kids. Let's keep our focus. I can't function without my claws. I can't do anything.